Today, we're going to dive into the ultimate experience at Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas. So, let's get started. First and foremost, let's talk about the hotel itself. Caesar's Palace is a luxurious resort that exudes elegance and grandeur. From the moment you step inside, you're transported to a world of opulence and extravagance. The hotel features a stunning lobby with marble floors and intricate designs that will leave you in awe. Now, let's talk about the amenities and service. Caesar's Palace offers a wide range of amenities, including a world-class spa, multiple pools, and a fitness center. The service is top-notch, with staff members who are attentive and friendly. They'll go above and beyond to ensure that your stay is memorable and enjoyable. Moving on to the food, Caesar's Palace has an array of dining options to suit every palate. From fine dining to casual eateries, you'll find something to satisfy your cravings. The hotel is also known for its legendary buffet, which is a must-try for any foodie. Let's talk about the rooms. Caesar's Palace offers a variety of room types, from standard rooms to suites that are fit for royalty. The rooms are spacious, luxurious, and come with all the amenities you could ask for. Now, let's talk about the casino. Caesar's Palace has a massive casino that offers a wide range of games, from slots to table games. The casino is always buzzing with energy, and it's a great place to try your luck and have some fun. Food to eat? Caesar's Palace has a variety of dining options, from casual eateries to fine dining. They also have a variety of bars, so you can enjoy a drink and some snacks while you play. Fun? Caesar's Palace offers a variety of entertainment options, from live shows to nightclubs. They also have a variety of shops, so you can do some shopping while you're there. Nightlife? Caesar's Palace has a variety of nightclubs and bars, so you can dance the night away or enjoy a quiet drink. Shows? Caesar's Palace is known for its world-class shows, from headliners to comedy acts. They also have a variety of other entertainment options, so you can find something to suit your taste. And lastly, the building itself is a sight to behold. Caesar's Palace is a massive, iconic building that is a must-see for any visitor to Las Vegas. So, there you have it, folks. The ultimate experience at Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more travel tips and insights. Until next time, happy travels!